The world is witnessing an exponential surge in urban growth, leading to megaregions with infinite potential. Already, more than half of humanity lives in cities. By 2050, nearly 7 in 10 people worldwide will call urban centres home. A trend that is fueled by 80% of the global GDP being generated in cities. As advances in transportation technology connect urban areas, super-intelligent megaregions will emerge, driving the future of urban life, wealth creation, and global competitiveness. What kinds of urban centres will emerge on the horizon? At the same time, this explosive growth will strain outdated supply chains and antiquated physical and digital infrastructure. Upgrading digital infrastructure is crucial for fostering innovation in the age of artificial intelligence. Which locations are strategically positioning themselves to become the next digital powerhouses? And what factors will drive their success? From data centres to mobility hubs, the energy transition is key to supporting the sustainable growth of these large population centres. And in this era of unprecedented growth, how can industry leaders transition to cleaner technologies while ensuring secure access and a steady flow of critical minerals? Supply chains are struggling to keep pace, caught between soaring demand and geopolitical tensions. Yet despite a decline in global trade value in 2023, the outlook for 2024 remains positive. How can the global trade system become more resilient in an uncertain world? How can we transform all these challenges into opportunities to build the infrastructure of the future that will enable megaregions to realise their infinite potential? Welcome to the Rebuilding Global Infrastructure series at the 8th edition of the Future Investment Initiative.